Have you ever gone to your fridge to get a cold drink and pause to ask yourself a question? Why one part is cold and the other is cold enough to freeze water? Surprisingly, they don't necessarily have two completely separate cooling systems. Let me explain. Inside a fridge is a special fluid called a refrigerant. There's a compressor that keeps moving it through the system, and eventually it reaches an evaporator where it absorbs heat from all the air in the fridge and turns it into gas. And that is actually what makes the freezer cold. Then an evaporator fan moves some of that cold air through a passage into the refrigerator compartment. So the refrigerator controls how much cold air enters using a damper. Because of this, there's a temperature sensor that keeps monitoring temperature of the compartment. The system adjusts the cooling to keep the freezer below freezing while the refrigerator stays cool but not frozen. And that's basically why you can set your fridge to different temperatures. So while your freezing compartment is pulling heat out of your food, the refrigerating compartment is getting just enough cold air to keep your vegetables fresh. So if you enjoy more engineering breakdowns like this, subscribe.